Did you know that a simple glass of okra water might be the missing link in your wellness or fertility journey? Whether you're trying to conceive, or you want to balance your cycle, or you want to enhance your libido, or you simply want to prepare your body for a smoother and easier delivery, then okra might just be your new best friend. So in today's video, I'm going to show you why okra water is quickly becoming one of the most talked about natural remedies in women's wellness and fertility health. I'll equally show you how you can use it to regulate your menstrual cycle, to boost your ovulation, to enhance your libido, to regulate your blood sugar levels and improve symptoms of PCOS. And I will equally let you know how you can use it to prepare your body for a smoother and easier delivery, that is for pregnant women at term. And at the end, I will teach you the best way to prepare this so that you can be able to enhance all these beautiful health benefits. I'll equally let you know who shouldn't drink okra water at all. Hey beautiful people, my name is MLS Nonya, a clinical medical laboratory specialist. In this channel, Good Life Diary, I teach you everything about fertility health and women's wellness in very simple terms, so that even as you're in your doctor's office, you flow very well along with him without too much confusion. So what is okra water? Okra is also called lady's finger. It is a finger-shaped green vegetable that is packed with lots of vitamins and minerals, including magnesium and antioxidants. It also contains a special kind of soluble fiber called mucilage. For so many generations, okra has been used in traditional medicine, especially by Asians, Caribbeans, and Africans, and modern science is beginning to catch up with that. Benefits of okra water. Let's start with fertility. Okra is very rich in folate. One glass of okra contains about 60 micrograms of folate, and folate is very vital just before pregnancy and as at the time of pregnancy, because it helps to prevent neural tube defects in babies. Neural tube defect is a very serious abnormality that can occur in babies whose mothers were folate deficient. Folate is also very necessary in the pregnant mother to help her to prevent anemia due to iron deficiency. Also, folate is very vital in improving your overall quality of your eggs and your fertility health in general. It helps both in development and maturation of the eggs in your ovaries, ensuring that they are healthy and ready for fertilization. The folate can also help to regulate your hormones and contribute positively to healthy DNA synthesis in your eggs. So taking folate supplements or ensuring adequate amount intake through your diet just before pregnancy and during pregnancy can be one way of ensuring a successful implantation of this embryo in your uterus and a successful pregnancy in the long run. Plus, okra contains antioxidants like vitamin C and quercetin, which helps in reducing inflammation and supporting a healthy reproductive environment. Chronic inflammation can harm ovulation or disrupt successful implantation in your uterus, but okra water contains antioxidants that can help to cool down systemic inflammation. If you're watching up to this moment, please give this video a like and subscribe. And let's continue. The second benefit is ovulation and hormone balance. You know, a healthy menstrual cycle depends on balanced hormone, and okra might help to support ovulation by supplying a very important element or vitamin called magnesium. Magnesium is very important in regulating your insulin levels and your estrogen levels. Plus, the mucilage that is contained in okra. The mucilage is that slimy property of okra. This can help to balance your hormones. So if you've been experiencing an irregular menstrual cycle, apart from medical prescriptions, okra water might be just what you need to reset your system again. Okra can regulate blood sugar levels and improve symptoms of PCOS by promoting sensitivity to insulin. How does okra do this? Through its special soluble fiber and polyphenols that reduces the absorption of glucose from your diet, thereby preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar level. Okra water, when taken in empty stomach, may also help to improve symptoms of PCOS by promoting weight management, improves your digestion, and influence hormonal balance. You know, a healthy weight is very vital for your fertility health, and the soluble fiber that okra contains as well can give this feeling of fullness and makes you to feel hungry less often. Managing your weight is very necessary if you are a PCOS subject. Okay. The fiber content of okra is equally good for constipation. Just like you are advised to take orange anytime you're constipated, the fiber in okra is also very good for constipation. So let's talk about libido boost. Yes, we are actually going there. This is currently trending among social media users as okra water is considered as a natural aphrodisiac in so many cultures. This is because okra water promotes the flow of blood from your heart to all parts of your body, including your genitals. And when there's adequate flow of blood to your genitals, it promotes sensitivity down there and equally arousal, contributing to a more fulfilling sexual experience. The mucilage, that is the slimy property of okra, also is a powerful lubricant for women experiencing vaginal dryness. So it encourages wetness too. So you need to give this a try if you are looking to enhance your libido. That slippery or slimy nature of okra can enhance comfort during the dew and make penetration smooth. Okra water, when taken first thing in the morning in empty stomach, can equally help to reduce your stress levels and nourishes the adrenal gland. Okra also contains zinc and iron, which has been linked to a healthy sexual desire and stamina. So add dates or macaroons to your okra water and experience an extra libido kick. Boom! Do you understand? Yes. Another benefit, easier or smoother labor. Some women have reported having easier or smoother delivery after taking okra water, though there is no scientific evidence to back this up. But it is believed that the slimy constraint of okra, which is the mucilage, could help with vaginal elasticity, thereby making the cervix to dilate faster and reduce complications during labor. But pregnancy is a very delicate condition. So before you start any new supplement or any new diet or anything during your pregnancy, make sure to speak with your healthcare provider. Some midwives in certain cultures are known to administer okra water to their patients prior to labor. So please, before you take this, ensure to speak with your healthcare provider. Another benefit, heal and repair your body. So beyond reproductive health benefits, okra is known to help with blood sugar regulation, digestive health, and immune function. Okay, okra contains a soluble fiber that can feed your gut bacteria, helping your body to detox naturally, and it has been known for okra to help or support collagen production, and above all, it hydrates your body and your skin. So whether you're healing after pregnancy or you're dealing with PCOS or you simply want to feel energized again, okra has got your back. Okra water. So we're finally here. How do you prepare okra water in order to harness all these amazing potential health benefits? Okay, so right here I have some okra pods. I have about 5 of them, but if you can get up to 8, it is fine. Okay, get your fresh okra and slice them. Get your fresh okra. The first thing you do is to wash them properly with a little salt in order to cleansing it appropriately. I have some okra pods here. I'm sure everyone knows what it is. I have some beautiful ones. Okay, so get about 5 to 8 okra pods and wash with a little salt, and you slice them. You slice them like you would do, assuming you're using it to cook. You slice them in circular forms and put in a glass. You put them in a glass. You slice into a glass and put clean water that is good enough for drinking. You can cover with a lid and store overnight or up to 24 hours in your refrigerator. When you're done at the end of the 24 hours, you strain out the water. You pack them here, soak with water, good enough for drinking, you cover it and put in your refrigerator overnight, or most appropriately for about 24 hours. At the end of the 24 hours, strain into another jar and the okra water is ready. Calm down. So you can take this in empty stomach. Just maybe if you do workouts, once you're back from your workout, you can take this in empty stomach. You can equally enhance the flavor. This is a very good part of it. You can enhance the flavor by adding dates. You can add date syrup to it, or you can blend your pineapple and enjoy. Is amazing. All right. So to start noticing visible results, you need to take this for up to 2 weeks for you to get your results, depending on the kind of results you want. Looking to boost your ovulation, to say bye to vaginal dryness, to enhance your lubrication, is it to regulate your blood sugar level, or is it for this level? Of course, you must discuss with your doctor if you're pregnant before you drink this. All right. So, who should be cautious? Who shouldn't drink okra water at all? Overall, or generally, okra water is safe. But if you're on blood sugar medication, speak with your doctor first before starting this remedy. If you're pregnant, ensure you talk with your doctor before starting this remedy. And in all, do not overconsume it. You can always start small, and as you go, you listen to your body. And if you're allergic to okra or any related plant, please stay clear. It means okra is not for you. So, summarily, here are key things I would like you to take away from this video. Okra is a natural vegetable that is packed with so much amazing nutrients that can benefit your health, your reproductive health, especially in so many ways. It can help you to regulate your cycle. It can boost ovulation. It can enhance your libido. It can help with easier and smoother delivery. It can equally regulate your blood sugar level and improve symptoms of PCOS. What an amazing vegetable. Please, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it, and drop your thoughts or your question in the comment section, and I will definitely attend to them. Please, hope you're subscribed. If you've not, stick out a moment and subscribe and join this family, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. All right, so this is more like a behind the scene footage. This is actually the next day, the morning of the next day. You know, I told you I was going to keep my okra water in the fridge for 24 hours, after which I'll strain out the water. So look what it looks like. Oh my god! See that slimy nature is dripping. I'm going to strain all of this out. I don't need the okra slices. What I just need is the water. You can add blended pineapples or dates or even cucumber or watermelon, anything, especially pineapple and dates or macaroons. They are beautiful. I mean, it's going to add extra flavor and extra goodness into this drink. So this is what you have. Check that slimy nature looking like that cervical mucus I was talking about. That is this mucilage in action. Wow. So after which you can have this drink in empty stomach. Oh my god. It's indeed refreshing. You too can give this a try. Okay, I'll see you again. Thank you for watching. Bye.